So okay, so wipe off, stay out of, clean up, take in, look up. These are the phrasal
Great.
verb. These are the phrasal verb.
Yes, correct. They're all phrasal verbs.
So wipe off, stay out of, clean up, take in. Okay. So wipe off, to remove something by using a cloth one's hand. So you're using this cloth to wipe off that stain. Could you please wipe off the table off?
Great.
So we can say like, could you please clean up anything? Could you please wipe off the table off? Could you please wipe off the table? Could you please wipe off the plate?
Yeah, please will you wipe off? We normally say something like, please will you wipe off the breadcrumbs from the table? Or please will you wipe off the coffee marks on
Hmm.
the table?
Hmm.
Or you can say there's dust on the table.
Hmm.
Please wipe off the whole table.
Next one is stay out of. So stay out is nothing. Stay out of means to avoid going into certain place. You should stay out of this area. So stay out of is nothing but like, I can tell like, when I'm fighting with someone, when my brother will come in between, I can stay out of this in this matter. Stay out of this.
Yes.
Don't interfere
Yes, you can.
between us.
Perfect.
Hmm.
Like if you're having an argument
Huh.
and somebody else wants to come in, you say, please stay out
Hmm.
of this argument. It's got nothing to do with you.
Yes, yes, yes.
Or maybe you are busy editing some videos. Then you can say, please stay out of my office
Hmm.
until I am finished.
Hmm.
Or please stay out of my bedroom.
Oh,
It's
okay.
not your bedroom.
So here you use until. Yeah, I am very confused about until or till. Until means by the time I will
Until.
finish. Until I finish.
Yes. So if I say to you, what time are you leaving work today? You say, I will leave work until I am finished. So you don't give a time,
Mm-hmm.
but until you finish doing a specific task.
Mm. Yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
good.
And clean up, to make someone or something clean and neat. You need to clean up your room. Yeah, that is simple word to clean up, like, yeah. Take in, to understand something, to accept that something is true. To understand something, to accept that something is true. The fact that he won the lottery was hard for me to take in. Something to accept that
Yeah.
something is true. The fact that he won the lottery was hard for me to take in. To understand something, to accept that something. What is the meaning of this? To fact.
To take in. To take in is to like understand.
Hmm.
Imagine if you won the lottery
Huh.
and you won $5 million.
Mm-hmm.
It will be difficult at first to take it all in, understand like what has really happened.
Mm.
Like it doesn't seem real. It's
Mm-hmm.
difficult to process this thing. Or for example, if your mom
Mm.
passes away,
Mm.
that is a negative. So it's difficult to understand. Like
Mm.
you know that she's not here anymore, but you can't.
Take in.
It's like your whole life has changed, and it's difficult to accept
Mm.
that.
Yes, yes. So how we are going to make a sentence for take in? Like, we can say like, take in, like, it is difficult for me to take in these things in my life.
You can say it's difficult for me to take in this situation.
These situations, yeah.
Yeah. Or you can say I'm having difficulty taking in the fact that my mother has passed away.
Mm.
I'm having difficulty taking in that I don't have a job anymore.
That to take in is simple, nothing but to accept.
Yeah, to accept and understand.
Mm.
Yes. And the next one, look up.
Look up, to try find a piece of information in a book or in the internet. I need to look that word up in a dictionary. So yeah, I also like I look up nothing but to see something, like to watch something, uh, uh, to observe something. So yeah.
No, it would be more the fact that you need to find a piece of information. So if I ask you a question like, what is the population of the people in South America?
Hmm.
Then you say, I don't know, but let me look it up on the internet.
Okay.
Or if I say to you, how do you spell the word pseudonym? You say, I'm not sure. Let me look it up in the dictionary.
Let me look it up in the dictionary. Yeah.
Yes. Or I say, if I can say to you, for example, back in the old days, a lot of people used phone books.
Hmm.
So if I asked you for a phone number for the government, then you would look it up in a phone book. You would look for the number to look up. So it's kind of to search for information.
Okay. Yes. 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 Okay. So dialogue practice. Mate.
Yes.
Okay. So mate is clean up in kitchen when his sister Nina comes in.
Okay. So I want you to read the dialogue.
Hmm.
I'm just going to listen for your pronunciation.
Okay. Matt is clean up in the kitchen when his sister Nina comes in.
Yeah.
Hi, hey, stay out of the kitchen. So Matt is clean up the kitchen when his sister Nina. So when Matt is clean up the kitchen, at that time her sister came into the kitchen. So that
His
Nina,
sister.
his sister, her sister,
Yeah.
her, he,
His.
okay, his sister came into the kitchen. So
Yeah.
he told to his sister, stay out of the kitchen.
Yes.
Okay. So he Nina told means some kind of like some kind of like we can say what, like this kind of
Like her?
her, yeah, her. Why?
Why?
Why are you cleaning up? That he is asking, that Nina asking to his brother.
Yeah. Nina's asking her brother.
Her brother, her, he's asking to her brother, are you going to clean up this kitchen?
No, she's like saying to him, like, are you cleaning up? Like she's surprised that he's actually cleaning up. So maybe before he never used to clean the kitchen.
Yes,
So
yes.
she walked in and he said to her, hey, stay out.
Hmm.
And she's like, huh? Why? Are you cleaning the kitchen?
Are you cleaning the
Yeah,
kitchen?
she's like, oh my gosh, you cleaning the kitchen. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. So, oh wow, you are really are cleaning up. You really are cleaning up, and you cook something for lunch. Oh wow. So, Matt, I am planning to surprise mom and dad. They are coming over today. I want to show them how much I have changed. Oh yeah, that is good. Nina says, I am sorry, but I am still trying to take all this in. Okay, I'm still trying to take all this in. I can't believe you. I can't believe you did all this by yourself. I mean, wow, look at this place. Yes, that is nice. Yes. So, it took me all day, to be honest, and I had to look up some recipe on the internet,
Recipes?
recipes, and I had to look up some recipes on the internet. I came across this lasagna recipe and thought,
Lasagna?
lasagna,
Lasagna.
lasagna,
Lasagna.
lasagna. I came across this lasagna recipe and thought I should give it a try. I hope they will like it. Okay. So Nina said, "That's true. That's great. I'm sure that will. It smells so good." Yes. Well, let's hope it tastes good as well. Anyway, they are going to be here in 20 minutes. I just have to wipe off the table and then it's all set.